Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It is currently Wednesday. I think it's April the 9th. Yesterday was the solar eclipse, and Steve and I and our friend Amber tried to watch it, but we were not successful because it was so cloudy. We saw it for literally like 1 or 2 seconds. It was still really cool to see, especially because it's something that we won't see like for the rest of our lives probably. But anyways, it's Wednesday and it's so gorgeous outside. It's like 20 degrees and it's supposed to be thunderstorms later. So I was gonna go to my crochet class, but I don't want to be late for work later. And I know I'm talking a million miles a minute, a million words a minute, but I'm gonna go take Elsa on a walk. Yesterday I was teaching until late and I did a point class in the morning, which I would have filmed with you guys earlier, but I didn't talk because I was honestly having a really stressful time. Like the last few days I've been so stressed, and I think that's why I haven't been vlogging or like taking you with me anywhere really, because I've just been honestly really stressed the last couple weeks. Honestly, all of April I've been so stressed. So I feel a lot better. I feel like a weight's been lifted off my shoulders in the past couple of hours after I got some goodish, not great news, but it was like comforting, and it was just, what's the word I'm looking for? Closure in something. So now that I feel a little bit better, I'm gonna go get some fresh air, walk, and take Elsa on a walk. I need to find her leash though, because I have no idea where it is. But anyways, like I said, it's like 20 degrees today and it's supposed to thunderstorm later this afternoon. So let's go on a walk. And I'm just wearing sweats pretty much today. That's what I felt like. I taught a morning class and I love these little socks. They have like, I don't know, you can't see them, but they have like little birds on it. So let's go. And you're in your favorite spot in the sun, aren't you? Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so warm. So I just got my dose order. It is so nice out, so I thought I would unbox this with you guys and show you everything I got in this package. So firstly, I have Taxi. I got a lot of different juices. Like I got the Zest, the Taxi, the Yogi. I really like the Yogi. It has a source of vitamin A and C, and all the ingredients in it are cucumber, celery, kale, spinach, lemon, parsley, ginger, and chlorophyll. Tell it's good for you. And I also got a bunch of shots as well. I got the ginger and turmeric dose shots, which I might do one right now. I feel like doing one right now. Why not? Still cold too, right out of the box. This literally just got to my doorstep. Oh, it's tangy and spicy. Huh. I also got a celery juice. Get more celery. Oh, the Focus one is really good too. The Focus juice has pineapple juice, cucumber juice, apple juice, sencha tea, kale juice, spinach, lemon, mint, jalapeno, and chlorophyll. This is actually probably one of my favorites. I really like the Focus during really long days, and it's a good source of vitamin A and C as well. I really like this one. This one tastes really good too. There's another celery. Oh, the Tango. This is one Steve really likes. I like it too. This is Steve's favorite, the banana berry. It's a plant-based smoothie and it has protein in it. So it has apple juice, filtered water, strawberry, banana, plant proteins with hemp, pea, and flax, lemon juice, and beet juice. This is definitely Steven's favorite, so I'll save this for him for lunch. Got another taxi, which is really good. It has pineapple, lime, and mint. And this is another really good one, the Samba. And I love the color of it as well. It has beet juice, I think. Yeah, it has apple, beet, carrot, cucumber, orange, lemon, kale, and ginger. And another Focus. That's everything I got, and I got more ice packs, which is great. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's some kind of like woodpecker. It's every once in a while, it just like does its thing. But either way, I'm gonna go get Stinky Dog, AKA. So cool. But I'm gonna go get Elsa and I'm gonna run her a little bit. I've also been sipping on the zest. I really like the zest in the morning. This will need a revamp for the summer. Lettuce, tomatoes,
tomato,
pepper, cucumber. Did too many last year.
Did.
Okay, hi guys. It's currently Thursday, April 11th. And I just finished doing a little workout for YouTube, and I have about half an hour until lunch. I still have to shower, and then I head out to work pretty much right after lunch, and I work from 2 o'clock, 2:15 until 8:30 in the studio. And then Steven's birthday is this Saturday, so I have to start getting things together and ready for this Saturday. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Last night I was teaching in the studio until late as well. Hence the reason I didn't continue vlogging after we were like hanging out with Elsa in the back yesterday. Also raining a lot, just so sad because it was so sunny and gorgeous the other day. And yesterday it was so nice, but that's okay. I'm inside, so I can't really complain. I do have to go outside and brave the cold, wet rain in like an hour or two. But yeah, we're currently watching the originals and it's so good. So good, guys. I also have a huge pile of laundry I still have to put away, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're just gonna dance. Here is the reality. I have to put all that away later. Okay, I just hopped out of the shower. I'm going to do my makeup and head out to dance. The outfit that I'm wearing today is like completely Lululemon. I'm wearing the Align tank because I love it, and the studio pants, and because it is raining out and it's kind of chilly, I'm gonna put on my sweater from Paris Opera, which, fun fact, I actually got when I was in the Paris Opera. Well, I wasn't dancing with the Paris Opera, but I was visiting Paris with my mom. We traveled to Paris in 2019, the summer of 2019, right before I met Steven. And I got this sweater from the Paris Opera itself. Okay, so honestly, if I blow dry my hair right now and like do it nicely, it's just gonna get wet because it's pouring rain outside anyways. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm just gonna let it like air dry, but I am gonna comb it through just so it doesn't get all tangled on the way. And I'm gonna do my makeup. I also got a PR package from Urban Decay, but I want actual time to like sit down and try it out, whereas right now I'm kind of in a rush. So I'm gonna throw my hair back, wash my face, and get ready to head out because I have to be at work in about an hour and 15 minutes. This is what Urban Decay sent me, the new Face Bond foundation. I do just want to open it up because I haven't even opened it up yet. Ooh. So it's foundation with up to 24-hour wear, can't feel, medium buildable coverage. 3% niacinamide serum is in it. It's clinically tested to improve skin texture feel. Setting powder. Oh my gosh, it has setting powder in it. That's so cool. Wow, I'm super excited to try it. Oh, I love that they sent those little clips. They're so cute. Also, this is the best setting spray ever. So I'm gonna try this tomorrow, just because I want to sit down and like try it. I might try it on TikTok as well. But I'm just gonna do a quick makeup look, like pretty much no coverage and a little bit of SPF or something. Honestly, I've been in a rut when it comes to everything. Like I've just been feeling not motivated whatsoever. And I don't know if it's because of the weather, although the weather's been pretty nice. Like the last few days, it's been sunny, warm. I don't know if it's because I'm just stressed. And when I get stressed, I feel like I can't do anything, you know? I just kind of get in like state, I get in like paralysis or something. So that's honestly what I'm feeling right now. Oops, Jackson picked my nose there. Okay, I'm gonna put on some of these glow drops from Typology. But I do want to get into vlogging more because I kind of had a good idea during December when I was doing Vlogmas. Like I had a natural momentum going with my vlogs and that was really fun and fulfilling to me. I want to get it back into that. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs because I really enjoy them, or if you don't like them as much and you like them more sporadic, because I feel like the benefit of having vlogs in a longer span of time versus like daily vlogs or weekly vlogs is that I have more interesting things happen and I can show you guys, because honestly my life's not really that interesting. Although last few weeks I went to Toronto and that was pretty fun and pretty cool, and this season is dance competition season, so I'm going to be super busy, so I don't even know if I'll have time to consistently put out vlogs, but we're gonna try because I love YouTube, I love ballet, as you guys know, I love teaching, and yeah, I just want to keep my passions going. I'm gonna use the serum, but lately what I've been doing with this serum, rather than using it on my entire face, I just kind of put it like on my under eyes because it provides really good coverage to my dark circles. It just makes my face look glowy. Yeah, and I just like mix it in. I know that was a lot of product, but it melts into your face really well. I always try to go for the glowy, no makeup look, if you know what I mean. Especially because my job is so active and I feel like I get really red in the face and I start sweating a lot. Especially yesterday, I got really, really hot because it was so sunny and gorgeous out. Today it is not, it's just raining like crazy, but it's okay. Like I said, I like the no makeup look, if that makes any sense. Just more like glowy and natural looking, especially adding just some color to my face, like this blush. I'm using the Rare Beauty blush and I just like to lift my face with it and add some color into the cheeks a little bit. I love Thursdays because I don't have to wake up early and I can use the morning to do things. And I felt really productive today and yesterday. I got a lot of things done that I needed to, and I noticed I made some mistakes in some of the work that I did, so I got to go back and redo that. It's not anything fun by any means, unfortunately, but it was stuff that needed to be done, you know, adulting and such. Ugh, so boring. A little bit more. Okay, also I just saw the time because I was going by my clock on my wall, which is totally not even working. It's just stuck. So I am running late. I was supposed to leave in 15 minutes and I thought I had a whole half hour and I don't. So let's hurry this makeup up. I'm just putting in some extra brow color from Urban Decay. I really love the Big Bush Brow and the Slick Day Brow. I've been using these two things every day, and then on days where I want my look to be a little bit more slick and sleek and clean, then I'll use the pencil as well, a dual-ended pencil. Whoops! But today I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm just gonna do this. And I like that it's in like a mascara wand with the color. It's just so easy to apply. And then I'll just slick these down. And the fun thing about eyebrows is you can change them every day, as long as you have them, you know? Even if you don't, you can just draw them on. They're so much fun. Like, that's why I love makeup. Makeup is so much fun. I used to not wear that much makeup. Actually, that's a lie. I used to wear more makeup. I feel like I wore less makeup, but it looked like more because I do like the heavy eyeliner. Whereas now I technically wear, what am I doing here? I technically wear more makeup than I used to, for sure, because I never used to wear foundation or blush, but I used to wear concealer religiously and eyeliner. And now I just wear like serum, foundation, a little bit of blush, sometimes some contour depending on the day, my eyebrows and mascara, which technically is more than I used to, but it looks softer, if that makes any sense. We need to pluck these again too. And I need to get Steve's gift done. Oh my goodness, I meant to do that today, but that will be a task for tomorrow. I'm just gonna throw on some eyelashes, and by throw on eyelashes, I do not mean fake lashes, I mean literally just draw them on or mascara them up, and then I'm gonna head out. Today is the day I am dealing with all of my laundry. Tomorrow is Steven's birthday, so I'm gonna get my stuff together and use the entire morning, since I don't work until 4 online, to organize and to clean up. Feels like there's just endless laundry, and I think it's because last weekend I was away and I was at the View Dance Challenge, and the weekend before we were in Toronto to see Olivia Rodrigo, and the weekend before that, I don't remember what we did, but it's been a while since I've done some house chores, so it's about time that I catch up with laundry. Okay, so it is pouring rain right now, which is the perfect time to do some skincare. Plus I have some blemishes coming out, so I'm gonna do a face mask and read my book. This is my skincare bucket. I have so many things in here, like this mask, but I really wanna do a mask where I can rinse it off after, if you know what I mean. Something like this. Love this one, the charcoal one from the Body Shop. My skin always feels so refreshed after a mask like that, so I'm gonna moisturize and then do some makeup. So I'm going to be unboxing my PR from Urban Decay. They just sent me the Face Bond, the new waterproof 24-hour waterproof, I just said waterproof twice. Waterproof foundation up to 24 hours of wear with 3% niacinamide, and you can't feel the coverage. I'm gonna try this, and they also sent these cute little clips put in your hair while you're doing your makeup. So I'm gonna go and unbox this on TikTok, just because I like doing that. And if you're not following me on TikTok already, my username is JASSSOME and Instagram is JASSOME.